you want to come see it?
Yes.
Right here. Honestly, it's a pretty incredible piece. It's like one of a kind.
Wow.
But here's this is like the pièce de résistance.
This is amazing.
Of it. The little desk that's in there.
Wow.
The little secretary desk with the drawers. It's hard to see, but it's got like a little Moroccan kind of cutaway underneath
How
there.
unique.
And
As the server itself.
Yep.
And just hide it away.
Yeah. And so I just don't have the space for it in the dining room to do it justice with that
Right.
little desk and stuff.
Right.
And that's why I feel like the sideboard would be better for us. And I mean, the detail on it is insane. Even all of this, I know that will go, but it's a pretty special piece. And it's really got quite a bit of storage in it too. Like all of these. Oh, that one's locked. All of these.
So there's two keys that open.
two keys, yeah, that go with everything on it. The drawers, lined in velvet. So
It's gorgeous. This painted, this redone, is
can't
going to
imagine
be
how
it's
beautiful
going to
it
be
would look.
spectacular.
like there's just little details everywhere on it. So I think will be incredible for the right person in the right place.
Right.
For
Oh,
us,
gorgeous.
the sideboard that you guys did
Yes.
is perfect because we get the top of it to use when we have
So
dinners and stuff. Yeah.
better use of space for you.
Yeah. I mean, even up here, all the detail that's up there, it's just...
Yeah, it's gorgeous. It is. What a unique piece. Do you
Yeah.
have because we're calling it a cabinet. You
I
know.
don't know why because it's not a hutch and buffet,
It's not a
one
hutch,
piece.
right.
I bought it from an antique store in Clarkson and fell in love with it when I saw it. Fell
can
in love
see
with
why.
the detail, fell in
Yes.
love with that little desk in there, but never had the room to really show that part off. Most
Right.
people didn't even know that was in there.
Right.
So it will be amazing to see it done.
Can't wait.
I know it will look fantastic.
So we're gonna load this up. This is a really, really cool piece.
Just
honestly.
two of us?
Amazing. Just the two of us. You know these girls, they don't help with the heavy lifting.
It's heavy. It's heavy.
Yeah, so we're just gonna load it up the way we're gonna load it up by just getting it to the middle, and then the both of us can carry it flat and just load it up to the truck.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
yeah, wow, this is a cool desk. Not desk, but a work table. It's got some history to it,
This
huh?
thing has seen some work over the years, that's for sure.
Wow.
Okay, so this is an old carpenter's bench, and it was handmade. And I came across it in a person's garage, and I got talking to them and asking the story about it. And it was a guy's father had built it. He was a carpenter, and you can still see like all the saw marks in it. It's all handmade. There's dowels in it all over the place. There's all these places for pegs to go so you can tighten up pieces of work within the vise on it. And there's glue everywhere and epoxy and stuff everywhere. It's still the original piece, and it's amazing. Val, my wife, hates it. She thinks it's ugly and beat up, but I think it's just amazing what this thing has seen through the years. I can just imagine some of the work that came off of this thing. It'd be amazing.
Really nice.
Yeah.
Love it, love it. It looks really vintage.
It needs a little work, but it could be cleaned up and be a very cool piece.
Too bad you can put it in your house as a desk.
I know, I'd love to make it my desk someday. But I don't think that's going to happen. So I use it as a workbench.
Very nice. Love it.
It's very handy.
Love it. Vintage, full vintage. All right, let's get this piece outside.
Okay.
There's a heavy weight you've been trying to hold on to, but you can lay it all down with me, 'cause in the end I'm just trying to show you you don't need more pain than
so excited to do this piece. This is from our dear friends Rick and Valerie, and we actually did a secretary desk for them before in navy and gold, and we took this piece to transform as well. So it has one key, I think, that goes with all of these, that open all of these. These are separate sections, so if you see here, when you open up the cabinet, it's blocked off there. So this can be used for glasses or whatever. And then this can be opened up here. What is amazing on this is all these tassels, all these little wood details that when they're painted, even up here, all that when it's painted just pops. It just looks amazing. I think what is exciting the most about this piece is this part here. So it's part server, so you can put your, I guess, bar items here, and then there's this secret little compartment in here. So I think this comes out. I'm not sure if I want to paint that separately, or I'm gonna figure out something funky to do in here. But the drawers are gonna have to be looked at because some of them are off kilter here, so we'll look at those and we'll bring them all out because we don't want any rub marks. And we might go from behind and do something funky in the back, maybe wallpaper or paint in the back. So we'll probably have to take a look at the back and see if it comes off to see how we can paint from the inside or cover the back. So let's do that.
So as the lead on this one, what do you think you want to do on the inside? Do you want to do
I think
wallpaper, or do you want to paint it on the inside?
I
What do you
have a vision of a fabric. It's a navy and kind of cream color fabric. So I just want to go in the back and see if this comes off, if the wood sheet comes off, and then maybe we can just cover that. And if so, you know, does it come off in here or is it the whole back? So I just want to turn the piece around and we'll just take a look at it from there.
Okay,
Because
we'll
then
turn it around and then I'll pull it off the back and look and see. Hey, did you realize that the back is just, the inside is just here? So it's not a full back. So whatever you do is going to come through here. It's open to the back, but this is the only display.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If
I did
that
not
whole
realize that
piece comes off,
Yeah.
then we just cover the whole back.
Yeah.
And then while it's off, we can shoot some paint in and do either this or leave this wood. I just want to see the color differences, as well as in the drawer. If that piece comes out, we can paint it separately or leave it all wood and just paint the outer part. So let's take a look in the back.
So we're going to turn it around and we're going to see what's going on in the back. And that way we can figure out what the actual design is going to be. If we're going to use wallpaper, if it's going to be fabric, or if it's going to be paint. We're going to figure it out right now. Come with us, let's get it flipped.
So these two, yes, and these two can just be sprayed from the back. Wow.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, really cool. So that backing is, now that it's off, it's easier to make a decision on wallpapering, fabricing.
What do you think you're going to do? Just look at them right now. What do you think you want?
Just leave it as is. Take this part off, spray from, because
Let's see the glass on the other
this
side. see the glass.
wood is on the outside. So that's the easy part. So the back can be taped off here and just leave it as is. So this is nice that the
Actually,
shelves
this
come.
is actually very easy to take
It's
out. You
easier.
should take the glass out, then you won't have to worry about having to do anything. The glass comes out really easy.
Because
and then
this
you
is
can
going
do
to have to
everything.
be painted separately. So
Separately?
without the glass. Well, because this is in here. I know, but once these come out, this comes out. Look, it's not attached. Right? So I don't even know.
This is a piece just in the middle. So once the glass comes out, oh, I
comes
see what
out.
you're saying.
Right.
Yeah, it'll fall out, and then we'll.
See, this
okay.
is
Yeah,
this
so
is
we'll take
apart
it out.
from the glass. It's not stuck on it. So once you take the glass out, you put it aside, and you can spray these separately. And really, this is just one entity, so it can be sprayed from the back. The bottom doesn't have to be sprayed on the inside for obvious reasons. And these two shelves can be done separately. And then once it gets together, it'll be so exciting just to put the fabric on or the wallpaper and then pick a color.